Hourglass Foundation is a nonprofit focused on supporting educational endeavors in automotive technology and other blue-collar skilled trades. The scholarship gifts help underserved and first-generation students get an education they might not otherwise be able to afford in fields that give them hands-on training and skill sets that lead to solid job opportunities, career ascension, and most importantly, independence. Lack of talent. There is a skilled technician shortage. There are many reasons for that. Some of it is the lack of new talent coming in to fill those, retiring technicians. So we need to engage more women. Women could actually be a big answer to this problem. We're working with community colleges, and we've got scholarships that are specifically designed for women only as well. So let's get those women in there. The people. Okay, so this is kind of off the cuff, but my husband is in software consulting, and I probably shouldn't say this, but the conferences, the people are not very friendly. Everybody's kind of in their own shell, and you come to Fleet, and we call AFLA the Fleet Family Reunion. You get the Fleet people. They're just like good old people. I love them. They are totally interested in our program. They're donating. They want a solution, and they come by, they speak, they throw down a $20 bill. It's just great. Visit thehourglassfoundation.org.